If you are looking for ways to learn new skills or expand your knowledge without spending a fortune, you might want to consider taking some free online courses. Many universities around the world offer free online courses that anyone can access and complete at their own pace. These courses cover a wide range of topics, from business and computer science to humanities and social sciences. You can use these courses to enhance your resume, explore your interests, or prepare for further education. Here are some of the universities that offer free online courses that you can start today. Harvard offers over 100 free online courses through its online learning platform, edX. You can learn about subjects such as data science, entrepreneurship, health, history, law, literature, and more. Some of the popular courses include CS50's Introduction to Computer Science, Justice, and the Science of Happiness. Stanford also partners with edX to provide free online courses in various fields of study. You can choose from courses such as algorithms, machine learning, introduction to logic, and writing in the sciences. Stanford also offers free online courses through its own platform, Stanford Online, and other platforms such as Coursera and Udacity. MIT is another prestigious university that offers free online courses through edX. You can find courses in engineering, mathematics, physics, biology, chemistry, economics, and more. Some of the notable courses include Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python, Circuits and Electronics, and Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Yale offers free online courses through its platform, OpenYale Courses. You can access lectures and materials from some of the most popular courses taught at Yale by distinguished faculty members. You can learn about topics such as psychology, philosophy, music, art history, and more. Some of the featured courses include Financial Markets, the Civil War and Reconstruction Era, and Introduction to Classical Music. University of California, Berkeley also provides free online courses through edX. You can enroll in courses such as Blockchain Fundamentals, Foundations of Data Science, English Grammar and Essay Writing, and the Science of Happiness at Work. UC Berkeley also offers free online courses through its platform, BerkeleyX. edX is a nonprofit platform that hosts over 3,000 courses from top institutions such as Harvard, MIT, Berkeley, and more. You can audit any course for free and get access to high-quality content and interactive learning tools. You can also earn professional certificates or micro-credentials for a fee. Udemy is a marketplace that offers over 150,000 courses in various categories, from web development and digital marketing to personal development and health. You can find many free courses on Udemy that are taught by experts and rated by students. You can also purchase premium courses for a low price. Other websites that offer free online courses include Khan Academy, a nonprofit that provides free, high-quality education for anyone, anywhere. You can learn math, science, history, grammar, test prep, and more from Khan Academy's library of interactive lessons and videos. Coursera, a platform that partners with leading universities and organizations to offer free online courses and certificates on various subjects, such as IT, business, data science, personal development, and more. Guru99, a website that provides free online courses and tutorials on IT and software topics, such as programming, web development, testing, cybersecurity, and more. Digital Defined, a website that curates free online courses and certificates from various platforms and categories. You can find free courses on marketing, design, photography, music, and more from Digital Defined's list.